Good evening, everyone. Here is Cheng Chi, the product director from Launch Tech. We are here with you live from our headquarters in Shenzhen. In today's world, where energy conservation, environmental protection, intelligence, and autonomous driving are fast developing, new energy vehicles are growing rapidly. By 2024, the global stock of new electric vehicles had reached over 64 million units, with more than 31 million units in China. However, most of our repair shops started with servicing few energy vehicles and are not very familiar with new electric vehicles. Meanwhile, the market is flooded with a wide variety of equipment claiming to be capable of repairing the battery, motor, and electronic control system of new electric vehicles. These devices are often expensive, complicated to operate, and of inconsistent quality. As a result, our repair shop colleagues can't afford them, don't know how to use them, and are also afraid to use them. Therefore, repair shops are confusing, hesitating, and wondering whether to buy such equipment and which one to choose. We've all been there, needing a diagnostic tool for identifying and confirming problems, an equalizer for checking voltage differences of battery cells, and if a battery model is found to be faulty and needs to be replaced, you still need a charging and discharging device to redistribute the power. Lots of equipment, lots of costs, and a big headache. But today, those days are over. Launch brings you the EVM324 battery equalizer and charge-discharge device, the ultimate all-in-one solution that integrates diagnosis, equalizing, and charging-discharging into a single device. Your all-in-one solution for electric vehicle repairs. Why choose EVM324? What's the advantage of the EVM324? Let's see. First, the EVM324 works with most X431 diagnostic tools, such as X431 Pad9 link, Pad7 link, and Pad5 link, as well as some Pro Series scanners like X431 Pro 3 link, etc. If you already have one of these diagnostic tools, just get EVM324 and you are good to go for equalizing and charging-discharging functions. And we can see that's our X431 diagnostic tools, which is compatible with the EVM324 device. Next, The EVM324 combines the functions of a diagnostic tool, equalizer, and charging-discharging device into one. In the past, you'd have to switch between different devices after each step, which was super troublesome. Now, one device does it all. Meanwhile, it offers high current charging and discharging, with up to 40 ampere charging and 20 ampere discharging currents to meet the fast charging and discharging needs of battery packs. By working with the X431 diagnostic tool, the tablet is movable while operating. You can choose whether to place the tablet on the EVM324 or take it away, according to your needs. Besides, the EVM324 supports operating multiple functions. You can diagnose your vehicle while performing cell equalizing or charging-discharging at the same time. For example, you can diagnose the electric control system or test the air conditioning compressor while the battery is being equalized. It's a huge boost to your efficiency. Plus, the device has a floating window function which shows you the real-time status, so you don't need to keep an eye on it from time to time. The EVM324 comes with multiple intelligent safety protection mechanisms. It has comprehensive protection functions like overvoltage, undervoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, reverse connection, and overtemperature protection. It also has a multi-layer safety protection system to ensure stable operation and safe use of the battery system, preventing equipment from damage or safety hazards caused by power abnormal. It gives you reliable safety assurance. Now, let's welcome Qile to demonstrate this product. Let's move to Qile. Let's welcome Qile. Now Qile is introducing the EVM324 to you. Please take a look at our EVM324 battery equalizer and charge-discharging device. Like I mentioned before, it works with most X431 diagnostic tools such as X431 Pad9 link, Pad7 link, and Pad5 link, as well as some Pro series like X431 Pro 3 link, etc. The tablet is movable while operating. You can take it off and also can put it on the device. It's suitable for all sizes of the X431 tablets. The X431 tool can be charged on EVM324 also. You can see the EVM324 device has both Type-C and DC charging cables, so users don't need to worry about the tablet running out of power. The EVM324 has simple connection method. First, connect the device to the AC power supply. The 220 volts alternating current. Now we can see we are charging when we are operating the tablets. Later, we will use the Pad5 tool as an example. The AC power supply is on the back side of the device. Then, connect the positive and negative terminals of the DC output to the corresponding positive and negative terminals of the battery modules. The device also features an emergency safety switch, which is used to cut off power in case of an emergency or abnormal situation. Now we will show you the equalizing process. First, we go to the device function menu, select Toolbox, then select Equalizing Module. Device will automatically search the SM of EVM324 and connect it. It's connecting now. Click to enter into the main menu. Before start the equalizing process, we need to there is a safety instrument and wiring connecting instrument prompt up. Before start the equalizing process, we need to select the battery type, target voltage of battery cell, target current, cut-off current, and alarm cell voltage differences. There will be a suggested range of each parameters. As we can see on the parameter setting screen, it shows the live battery status, numbers of battery cells, current voltage, average voltage, highest voltage of battery cell, lowest voltage of battery cell, and current voltage differences. The EVM324 equalized up to 24 battery cells at the same time, supporting mainstream battery types like NCM lithium battery, lithium iron phosphate battery, LTO battery. It uses a principle of charge the entire battery pack while discharging individual cells with up to 20 ampere fast charging to improve equalizing efficiency. Now Qile is setting the cell's voltage, then the target current. And the cutoff current. The suggested range of the cutoff current is from 0.1 to 5 ampere. Now is the alarm cell voltage differences. Press to start. During the process, you can see the visual information on the screen, like target current, module end voltage, average current, numbers of battery cells, highest cell voltage, lowest cell voltage differences. The details is at the below of the screen. During the processing, the status light on EVM324 flash in green. You can see it's flash in green. It means the machine is working. If it is abnormal, it will turn red. When we are repairing the battery pack and find that a battery module is abnormal and needs to be replaced, after the replacement, we need to perform a quick distribution of power to make the voltage of the new battery module cells consistent with the voltage of the cells in the other battery modules. We can choose the rapid charging or discharging function. After back to the toolbox, select the charge and discharging module, then click charging or discharging icon to start the process you need. Now we select the charging. Also, there will be prompt with a safety and wire connecting instruction, which help to ensure the operating safety before the charging and discharging process. Now we enter into the parameter settings screen. On this screen, it shows the live battery status, numbers of battery cells, current voltage, average voltage, highest voltage of battery cell, lowest voltage of battery cell, current voltage differences. Before start this charging process, we need to select the battery type, target voltage of battery cell, target current, cut-off current, and alarm cell voltage difference. There also will be a suggested range of each parameter. Now we set the target voltage to 74, and the suggested range is from 61.6 to 80.3. Then we set the target current, and the cutoff current is setting to 0.5. and the suggested range of the cutoff current is from 0.5 to 5 ampere. It's more simple than ever. We don't need to set much more parameters. Now let's start the process. Also, during the process, you can see the visual information on the screen. The target current is 74 and the battery end current is 72. It's also a live parameters. You can also see the average current numbers of battery cells, highest cell voltage, lowest cell voltage, and cell voltage difference on the screen. The EVM324 offers high current charging and discharging with up to 40 ampere charging and 20 ampere discharging current to quickly adjust the battery cell voltage to the target level, meeting the fast charging and discharging needs of battery packs. Now we will show you the compressor offline test function. Besides supporting the equalization and charging-discharging functions, we can also perform offline tests on new energy high-voltage components such as compressors, DC-DC, and OBC. Let's take the compressor offline test as an example. Now let's power up the diagnostic connector and connect it to the compressor's communication interface using the dedicated compressor connector. Let's back to the main menu. Get into the EV diagnosis. Press the compressor test. Enter into the process. There will be 3 selections: vehicle brand, compressor brands. Here is the supported brand on China. Select. This is the supported compressor brand. Then the last one is the compressor model. You can select the relevant compressor model also. So we have 3 ways to choose the relevant compressor for testing. Now we select the corresponding part number from the compressor's nameplate. It will prompt a warning information before start the process. Please pay attention to the notice. Now we have connect the smart digital power supply to the compressor's high voltage interface. Now we start the process. We can see today we used our ELA400 intelligent digital power supply to complete the whole compressor offline test process. Our new energy high voltage our offline test on new energy high voltage components supports compressor, DC, and OBC. Now we can see when we are doing the offline testing of high voltage components, there is a floating window on the tablet that can display the equalizing and charging discharging status in real time. You can also check the current operating status of the equipment from the working indicator lights. So, by using the EVM324, we can do equalizing, charging and discharging, and diagnosis in the same time. During the operation, our EVM324 provides comprehensive safety protection, such as over-voltage, under-voltage, over-current, short-circuit, reverse connection, and over-temperature protection. Today, we will showcase two protections to you. If the module connection cables, positive and negative clamps are reserved, the device interface will show a cell channel cross connection alarm, and the status light on the EVM324 will flash red. You can see the cell channel cross connection alarm is prompted on the screen. And at the same time, the status light on the EVM324 is flashing right. When we connect the cable clamps in the right way, the status light turns green. Next, let's see the power dump protection. If we disconnect the number 2 voltage collection line on the battery module, the device interface will show a cell 2 over discharge protection alarm and a cell channel cross connection alarm. Let's see. Let's take off the number 2 connection line. You see, the cell 2 over discharge protection alarm is shown on the screen, and the status light is flashing red. Let's connect the cable back. You see, the light turns to in green. Thanks for the outstanding demonstration by Qile. Again, the EVM324 supports most X431 diagnostic tool like PAT9 link, PAT7 link, PAT5 link, or Pro3 link. After the demonstration by Qile, I believe that you have the EVM324 is designed for users who already have an X431 diagnostic tool like PAT9 link, PAT7 link, PAT5 link, etc. Users need to purchase the EV add-on kit and software for EV diagnostic functions. Without further investment on a new tablet, you can perform all the desired EV repair and maintenance functions. Once you get the product, you can use your X431 diagnostic tool with it to repair EV and its batteries. Today marks a milestone for LaunchTech. We made it from core technology breakthroughs to real-world applications, from addressing users' urgent needs to building a shared ecosystem. This new product is not just a device. It's a firm commitment from Launch to transform the automotive repair industry with intelligence. On behalf of LaunchTech, I want to thank everyone for your support. It's the trust of our partners, the feedback from our users, and the collaboration of our industry peers that fuel our innovation. Thank you all. Thanks again for your listening. Any questions for this EVM324? Please do not hesitate to contact us.